welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this week's video I am going to be cleaning out my closet because it is a mess in there, and yeah, I just really need to clean it. Also, I'm wearing comfy clothes because obviously I want to be comfy. I'm filming this at night because I have been procrastinating cleaning out this closet for the whole entire day because I just really don't want to clean it. Which is also why I have not the best lighting right now, and you can see the reflection of my ring light, but that's fine. Excuse my very squeaky floor. This is what we're working with right now, so I swear my floor is being so annoying, but can't control that. I just have a huge pile of clothes there, and that's just not working. And there's also a dresser that I need to organize. Also, my dead plant in the back. It was like I had like a bunch of exams and I just didn't bother taking care of it, and it just kind of died. So yeah. So I think I'm just gonna start off by clearing out everything that's here because it's just a mess in there. Within like the past week I've gained 13 subscribers, and I think that's just absolutely crazy because that has never happened to me, and it's like getting me so excited knowing that people actually subscribe and watch my videos. So yeah. Alrighty, so I cleared out everything in my drawers and the thingies that were on my dresser, and now I'm just gonna organize my hangers. So I'm not gonna take all my clothes off my hangers because I'm a little too lazy to do that. So I have this now, and yeah. So I've cleaned out my closet 1,000 times during quarantine, and I swear if I get rid of more clothes I won't have any clothes to wear anymore. So I'm just gonna separate these into sections. So all my sweaters, shorts, leggings, jeans, clothes, yeah. So I just spent a good amount of time taking a thumbnail, so I just kind of dumped all my sweaters where my pants are supposed to be, so that's fun. And I am folding all my pajamas into the little flat thingies so you can stack them and it's all pretty. I wish my closet was like aesthetic enough to make those like Pinteresty closets. Like, those are so pretty. This video is definitely not going to be the best video ever, especially with this very crappy lighting. I don't know what to do. How am I gonna make this video interesting? Because I'm literally just here folding my clothes and I don't know how to make this interesting. So I switched over to a oversized shirt because I swear it's getting so hot in that fluffy sweater. But I got some coconut water. So I finished folding my PJs into these little like thingies, and I'm gonna have them vertically in my drawer like this. So and that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully it works out. Okay, so I got my first few bits of clothes, but I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you guys about random stuff, I guess, because I gotta make this video interesting somehow, and that is not by showing you guys how to fold clothes. Also, let me know what you guys want to watch on, let me know what you guys want to see on my channel, because I would like to know. I have a few ideas, but I really need more because if I run out of those, I don't know what I'll do. Okay, so I had these two little stacks of my PJs, and I have some room here, and I think I'll just put my slippers because I don't wear them. I wear sandals because I don't really wear them and I don't want them to get in the way, so I'm just gonna put them in there. And yeah, first drawer done. Second drawer, oh, left the dance leotard in there. Second drawer is gonna be my sweaters, so I'm gonna go do that right now. I have my chair here with my sweaters on it. I'm gonna just fold it here and put it in. Also, so excited for the summertime. I swear, if Corona is over, which I don't really think so, but it is, that'll be literally amazing, and I would love that to happen. But in the summer, I'm gonna have a lot more free time to film videos for you guys, and hopefully I can post twice a week during the summer. That's something I'm really hoping to do, but if that's not possible for me, then that's fine. But I'm really hoping to be able to film, like, to post a video twice a week for you guys. Why does this gotta be so bulky? Like, okay. I swear to God, that is so fat. So excited to show you guys next week's videos too. I already know what I want to film for next week, and I think that it is going to be really fun and you guys are gonna really like it. At least I hope so, guys. In my opinion, it's gonna be a really fun video. Wish I could open this all the way, I swear. Which is why I want like a curtain as a door, because this is here and I can't move this, and I have nowhere else to put this in my room, and I don't want to get rid of it either because I need storage somehow. Earlier I was this close on like giving up about filming this video because I swear like it's not gonna work out, but I'm like, nope, I can't do that. I got to make it work out. I need to get a video out, and I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging without a video from me this week. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It'll mean so much to me. We are so close to 100 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing to me. We are at 68, so close to 70, which I am so excited about, and I love you all so much for making this happen. And also, I'm really hoping that I can grow my channel and eventually I can get a filming camera instead of filming on my phone, which I think would be absolutely amazing. Does this look the best? No. Does it work? Yes. So I'm a roll with it. So I'm done with my drawers, and now I just have all my pants left, and this video is probably going to be pretty short, but I still hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I have my pile of pants here. So all I have left now are my shorts and a few shirts that I need to hang up, and that's it. Okay, so I am done putting away all my clothes and organizing everything, but one thing that I kind of want to do is organize all my clothes by color, because I think that will make it look a lot better. So I'm done organizing my clothes by color. It didn't make a huge difference, but it still looks a little better. Not really. It kind of still looks like a unicorn pooped here, so that's nice. So I'm rewatching the like before and after clip, and you can really not see like that much of a difference, but I swear I cleaned it and it looks a lot more organized than before. It just doesn't really look like it other than the pile of clothes that I had on my dresser. So love y'all. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.